These are the little black colored berries of the Ziziphus oenopolia, that is Ziziphus, Ziziphus and oenoplia. And it's a biologically very important species because it is a pioneer species that occupies when land is degraded and people misuse and all. The topsoil gets disturbed, they cut the trees and all. Then these are the first species that nature sends to reoccupy and regreen the dry areas. I mean those dead areas. Anyway, these birds are eating a lot of these fruits. These little berries, they don't have much of pulp, but it's tasty. It's kind of mildly sweetish and has a sweet, sour, astringent taste. And in Kannada it's called pargi hannu, also some place they call it bargi, and in Sanskrit it's called karkandu. So this Ziziphus oenoplia, it's a thorny kind of a shrub that you can see it has little thorns, those little thorns there, and then these leaves you might have seen already. So it's a kind of a bushy kind of a straggling shrub, and fresh shoots are generally about rusty colored, so that's one identification. And main parts used are the roots of this Ziziphus as far as Ayurveda is concerned. And roots are astringent, bitter, and then they kill worms and infections, and the roots are digestive and also antiseptic. So roots are they kill the germs and all that and prevent pus formation and things like that. Then it is mainly used in hyperacidity, that is hyperacidity with ulcers, because it has a wound healing property and it's cooling, so it reduces the acid and promotes that ulcer to heal. So in medicines for this stomach ulcers, they use this plant. Then apart from that, for infections and then stomach pain, all kind of stomach related problems, it is a good medicine. And healing of wounds. So if you are in a forest somewhere and you get wounded and all, this root paste can be made and applied, surface wounds. And the leaves also have the same property, but less strong. So one very important point about this Ziziphus is that if you have a large garden and you are a bird lover, please get this species, or if it comes on its own, you can allow it to grow on the sides in the hedges or somewhere, because numerous small birds come and eat these fruits. So it's a bird friendly plant and good one. So if you see it, keep it.